In this video, we're going to go over how to put the motor on the motor mount along with the tensioner. There's some hardware included in the kit in order to do this, and some of the tools that will be needed are a 5/32 Allen wrench, a 1/2 inch socket, a 1/2 inch wrench, and a 7/16 inch socket. We'll then put the motor with the motor mount onto the reel mower. First, what we'll do is we'll take our one bag of bolts, empty them out, and we'll find the 2 socketed cap screws that are in this bag. The rest of these we can put off to the side for now. We're going to take our tensioner and pull the top piece out. So it looks like this. You'll see there are 2 holes. We're going to line these 2 holes up with these 2 tapped holes. We're going to make sure that this hole with the bolt in it is facing this side of the motor mount. So we're going to drop our 2 socketed cap screws in here, and we're going to line them up with these 2 holes. And use our 5/32 Allen wrench to tighten these down. You don't need to tighten them down too much since this is plastic. We're going to take our motor lifter and put it back in. We want to make sure that it's completely down. This will help us later when we go to tension the belt. Okay, next we're going to take this other bag of bolts that has some flange hex bolts in it and some nuts, washers, and dump it out. We're going to take our motor and we're going to connect this foot to the side. We're going to turn the motor on its side and set it on top of this tensioner like so. You can see it's like this. We're going to take a flange bolt and put it through the motor foot. We're going to take a washer, put it on, and then a lock nut and put it on. Now when we tighten these, we don't want to tighten them all the way because later on we're going to tension them with the belt on it. So for now we just need to start all of these. The top 2 are very easy, and then one of the bottom ones is fairly difficult to get to. I'll show you. So we'll just get these started. Now this one right here is a little bit difficult. You can get the bolt in easy. It's just going to take you some time to get the washer and the nut back in there. So again, I found the easiest way to do this is to face the motor up like this and then slide it all the way to the left, I guess in this case, in these slots, so that there's a big gap here. That'll give you the easiest chance of getting this washer and nut down in there. If you really can't get this and you're struggling, you can always put the bolts in facing the other direction. That's much easier, but I don't like how it looks on the front with the nut. But if that's what you want to do, that'll be a lot easier. Okay, this is what it should look like at the end. Again, like I said, you can put the bolts the other way if you have trouble getting this one, or you can use a needle nose like I did to get the nut in there. Either way, this is what it should look like at this point. And now we need to install it onto the reel mower. Okay, now we got our reel mower on the table. We're going to take our motor and our motor bracket and place it up on here. You'll notice that these 2, this edge, and this edge should line up. We'll start with the motor in this position. We do have a slot so it can move, but it should be fine right here. So we're going to line it up like that. And you'll notice that inside this slot, there's a tapped hole here. And then there is another slot with a tapped hole there. So our hardware kit came with 2 hex bolts. You can see one is slightly longer than the other. So the longer one is going to go back here where there's this slot, and the shorter one's going to go here. We're going to put the lock washer onto the bolt first, followed by the regular washer. So like I just said, we're going to take our shorter bolt, put our lock washer on, a regular washer. We're going to put that one in this slot. Start it with our finger. Just get it started for now. Take our longer bolt, take our lock washer followed by our regular washer, and we're going to put this in this back slot here. I'll start that by hand. Alright, once we get those both hand tight, we can line everything up here and tighten these down. Alright, we should be done at this step.